Hey guys, Hippie here with a new video, and today I'm going to be guiding you guys how I made my part 6 costume. This is everything you're going to need, and I've been wanting to make this video for a while as I've been getting a lot of requests. Everything that you see here will be in the description below, if possible, and yeah. So this costume is quite pricey, around 150 to 200 at most, like for me. So let's begin, and remember, I'm gonna list everything in the description. So let's start from top to bottom. First is the hood. This is a Escape Theory Studios hood. It comes with the face. I bought this for 100 plus, or maybe 90 plus $10 for shipping back in 2018 of October. This was used for my second attempt of my part 6. Now I recommend getting the DSS part 6 deluxe hood instead of this one, as this one came with a really bad paint job. It was almost pure black with just green highlights, so I repainted it myself. Still not great, but yeah. This is my hawk that I got from Etsy. It was a clear blank that was already pre-cut. It came with the chevrons, and I did the strap myself. It was quite easy. The mask was $25 to make, and yeah, it was pretty good. The blank was around $15. The rest was $10. So yeah, and it has the accurate shape too. So I'll link that in the description where I got that. The person also has different blanks like part 3 and part 8. So if you wanted to make those. Now moving on to the shirt. Now this was a Dickies olive green work shirt. A lot of people get this detail wrong. It's the wounds, the stab wounds. They're not bullet holes, but a lot of people get this wrong where they add blood around it instead of just the clear. As there was actually no blood on his shirt. It was just the wet looking dried out dead blood right there. I did this with latex. I made a tutorial video back in July on how I did this. Now this cost me around $25 too, and these holes right here, these were just made of latex. I put a cardboard under it. It's also on the back. There should be 7 holes in total. You could add a paintball if you wanted to, but I didn't want to. I weathered this thing using the cheese grater way and the metal filer, as I told you guys in my remake costume work in progress I made like almost 2 weeks ago, or 3 weeks ago maybe. And yeah, so this thing was not really hard. I washed this thing with fabric softener 3 times, so it loosened up the fabric. Now moving on to the belt. Now this is the belt. It cost me around $50 to make. This is everything you need beside the accurate knife sheath. You got this is the buckle you need right here. This buckle is the one they used in the film, or the same one they used. You need this one. Make sure there's 2 different types right here. This one, and there's a race car or a go-kart looking seatbelt type one. Make sure it looks like this right here. Now this is a Thompson 3 mag holder. This was $20, and it holds my little darts. I think I have 2 in here maybe. This thing was only like around $20 on Amazon. You could get this quite easily. I tucked in the pocket sleeve flaps so it doesn't show, just like part 3. This is the knife sheath right here. Just a $13 knife sheath I got off Amazon too. This thing was, if you want the accurate one is around $150. You can find one on Etsy, but most are not manufactured anymore, so it's really hard to come across. This is a cheap machete sheath that I got off Amazon too. It's the same color as the belt. Most people mix it with like a black color. Here's my machete. But yeah, for the main belt it was around $10, $15. And yeah, moving on to the gloves. Nothing much here, but these are $13 yellow work gloves I got off Amazon. These work really well. They're really thick, pretty high quality leather for $13. I weathered these with powdered black and brown dye, and yeah, there's nothing much. But these leather gloves soak up water really well, so that's why it looks like this. Well, moving on. Here are Target brand khakis that I got for $15. The Goodfellow type brand that you can find at Target. I weathered these with the same dye I used for the gloves, and a little bit more acrylic. Now these look pretty nice, but Jason Part 6 pants don't look too weathered. The thing is, he does not have a knife wound on his knee. I see that mistake a lot in a lot of the Part 6 costumes. I concentrated a lot of the weathering on the knees too, and the bottom of the foot right there, so it looks all muddy and grimy and stuff. And yeah, here's the bottom. I weathered these with the cheese grater type way again, and I used a metal filer for some string, so it looks all loose and stuff. And there's no action right here, like I just said. And you see the weathering around the knees. There's not much weathering to the back either. Yeah, okay, so that's it for the pants. I'm gonna show you what the boots look like over here. Here are the boots over here. These are $20 boots I got from Walmart like in March 2019. They held up pretty good, especially for $20. Now, these aren't accurate. I use these for almost every costume, but it's because I don't want to buy boots for every costume I make, unless if it's like really important to the costume. Part 6, if you want to go accurate, it is brown Red Wing Logger boots, which are vintage and probably $200. Like if you find them new these days. But yeah, these work really well for me. And yeah, here's the whole costume. I'm gonna try it on and show you guys what it looks like. That's it for this video today, guys. Remember, stay safe, don't get sick, especially around this time, and have a good day. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.